Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we will install the Deepin Desktop environment using the Yast Software Manager. So I have already logged into the Yast Software Manager. I have opened the patterns tab. So now let us search for the Deepin Desktop environment. Here it is. You can see some of the packages that will be used in Deepin Desktop environment are already installed. So these are the common packages. They belong to the common packages as well as the OpenSuse base packages. So the patterns base X11, patterns base system, the patterns office, all these are the basic packages or the basic patterns of the OpenSuse Leap 15.4. So they will be required in all the desktops. So now you have to select the Deepin Desktop environment for installation. So that will select some new packages for the Deepin Desktop. Those will be marked in the green tick, and the common packages or the base packages all will be already there, and those will be marked with the black ticks. So you can further include the Deepin wallpapers community. So it will add some more wallpapers and give us more choice, and you can add the patterns of Deepin utilities. So that will add the Deepin draw package, and you can also enable the Deepin feature enable. So there is some warning: Deepin debug and the policy kit issues. The Deepin feature enable will enable all features of the Deepin API and the Deepin daemon. For ensuring your OpenSuse is in security, we will disable all the debugs and policy kit of the Deepin API and Deepin daemon as well as the Deepin manager. The SUSE security team thinks these debugs and policy kit features are not secure, so we will not install it. So do not install. So that will be safe for us because the SUSE security team does not fit it good to install this package. So that's it. Now what you have to do is you have to just accept the changes. The summary will be shown. You have to say yes, press the continue button, and the installation will start. Okay, so there is one failed package. The Deepin draw package has failed to install. Rest of the packages all are installed. You can see here. So we will continue. So it is now system is again asking whether you want to install them now. So some packages has failed, so the system is offering to install them now, so you have to press yes. So you go back to the patterns, select the Deepin desktop environment. I think all the packages are now installed. Yes, all of them are there. Even the Deepin draw is there. So you have to just accept. So it is again going to install the packages which had failed. There was some glitch in my network connectivity. That's why the packages failed to install. So this network glitch has now been removed, but the packages failed because the bandwidth was not available. So this is the beauty of the Yast Software Manager. It will correct all the errors of the uninstallation and the installation of packages. If any errors are there, then it will auto correct. You can see here some packages failed, so it is reinstalling those packages. So we did not specify, it will specify it automatically to whether to uninstall any package or to install any package. So here now you can see the total number of packages installed have been 39. The time elapsed is 1.37 minutes. Total install size is 236.66 MB and the total download size is 22.23 MB. So this is the second try where it reinstalled some packages. So total 39 packages were reinstalled. So now we have to hit the continue button. Let us go back and just check for once again whether the Deepin Desktop environment is properly installed. Yes, it is properly installed. So now I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will remove the LXQT desktop that was installed earlier. So see you in the next video. Bye.